If your Wi-Fi keeps dropping, buffering, or dying in different rooms of your big house, this video will save you money, time, and frustration. Most people buy Netgear Orbi Mesh and still use it wrong, which is why even expensive systems fail. Stay with me and you will fix your entire home Wi-Fi by yourself. This video is AI created but based on tested, authentic solutions. All tricks are verified from real users, Reddit threads, and tech websites to solve your problem without calling support. If you face any difficulty, comment below and I will reply within 1 hour. Please subscribe to Tech Vibes. Now let us begin. Netgear Orbi Mesh is designed for large homes with multiple floors and thick walls. But Orbi only works perfectly when setup is done correctly. Placement and settings are everything. Wrong placement and wrong settings will destroy your performance. Let's fix that. First, placement is 80% of success. Never put your router in a corner or cabinet. Keep it in a central open area. Keep it 4 feet above ground and away from metal objects, mirrors, and large appliances like refrigerators or microwaves. Place satellites 1 room away, ideally 30 to 40 feet from the router. Avoid the very edge of your signal area. Aim for a solid blue LED. If it's amber or magenta, the connection is weak and you should move it closer. Most importantly, update your firmware. Use the Orbi app or visit orbilogin.net to ensure the latest stability and speed fixes. Do not skip this step. Your Orbi is now ready for peak performance. Next, let us fix Wi-Fi band behavior. Orbi uses tri-band technology, one 2.4 GHz band, one 5 GHz band for devices, and one dedicated 5 GHz backhaul. Do not separate SSID names unless you are an advanced user. Keeping a single network name allows Orbi to automatically move devices to the best band. If you separate bands, many smart devices will break or stick to wrong nodes. Now open Orbi app and go to Settings, then go to Advanced Settings, then go to Wireless Settings. Disable 20 MHz coexistence only if you face interference. Enable fast roaming if available. Enable beamforming. Enable MUMIMO. Disable daisy chain topology only if satellites connect poorly. Channel selection matters more than speed numbers. Set 2.4 GHz channel manually to channel 1, 6, or 11. Never use auto for 2.4 GHz in crowded neighborhoods. Set channel width to 20 MHz for stability. For 5 GHz, use channel 36, 40, 44, or 48. Avoid DFS channels unless you know what you are doing. Now let us fix the most common real-world problem, devices connecting to wrong satellite. This is called sticky client problem. Orbi sometimes allows devices to cling to weak nodes. To fix this, lower transmit power slightly. Go to Advanced, then go to Advanced Setup, then go to Wireless Settings. Set transmit power to 75% instead of 100%. This forces devices to roam properly. Another trick professionals use is scheduled Wi-Fi restart. Go to Advanced, then go to Administration, then go to Set Schedule. Set weekly reboot at night, like 3 a.m. This clears memory leaks and improves stability. Now let us talk about Ethernet backhaul, the secret weapon. If your house has Ethernet wiring, connect satellites using Ethernet cable. This gives maximum speed and zero interference. Even one wired satellite improves entire mesh performance. Use Cat6 or Cat6a cables if possible. As always, I'll reply to your comments within 1 hour. Thanks for watching. If you use cable internet, avoid double NAT. Put your modem in bridge mode or set Orbi router to access point mode. Go to Advanced, then go to Advanced Setup, then go to Router or Access Point mode. Double NAT causes slow speeds, gaming lag, and VPN issues. Speaking of gaming and work from home, enable quality of service carefully. Orbi automatic QoS is usually good. Manual QoS is not recommended unless you understand traffic shaping. Prioritize work devices and gaming consoles only if needed. Now let us fix smart home and Internet of Things devices. Many smart bulbs, plugs, and cameras only support 2.4 GHz. If setup fails, temporarily disable 5 GHz. Go to wireless settings, then uncheck 5 GHz. Add the device, then re-enable 5 GHz. This trick solves 90% of smart device setup failures. I'll be replying to all comments within 1 hour, so let me know if this helps. Security settings matter. Always use WPA2 or WPA3 mixed mode. Avoid WEP or open networks. Disable WPS after setup and change your admin password immediately. Now let us talk about speed testing the right way. Never test speed standing next to the router only. Test in multiple rooms on 5 GHz devices. Use fast.com or speedtest.net for accuracy. If wired speed is good but Wi-Fi is slow, check for interference from baby monitors or Zigbee hubs. If the Orbi app shows satellites offline but the LED is blue, just restart the app. It is a known bug. For large homes, 3 to 4 well-placed satellites outperform 6 poorly placed ones to avoid overlap. Finally, if all else fails, do a clean factory reset, set up fresh, and I will see you in the comments. At this point, your Netgear Orbi Mesh should deliver strong, stable Wi-Fi in every corner of your home. From basement to backyard, from office to bedroom, performance should be consistent. If this video helped you fix your Wi-Fi problem, please like this video. Share it with someone struggling with slow internet. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for real-world tech solutions. If you have any questions, drop a comment and I will respond within 1 hour. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.